Why did they chip me? Finally, the actual warning signs have come up on the car now, whereas previously, for the last 5 days or however long I've been here, they haven't been up on the car. But now we've got the stability that's missing, as per the previous one. There's a puncture apparently, so I need to check that. And then there's something on the engine. None of that was there when I actually test drove it. But it's funny how all of a sudden today, on the 2nd, 3rd of November, it seems to have popped up out of nowhere, only because I said I was going to phone. I've got to make a report on the police, obviously, so that's good that it's on there, so I've got evidence, and also to phone the RAC to figure out how we're going to do with it.